Welcome back. I'm Jill with thecarefreekitchen.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a breakfast pizza. This easy breakfast pizza is loaded with sausage, hash browns, eggs, and cheese, and then baked over Crescent Roll crust. Now, if you're thinking it's a little wild to have pizza for breakfast, hold on. This is such a fun recipe, and it is so fun to make around the holidays or when you have a long weekend or family gatherings. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make this easy breakfast pizza. Okay, so for our ingredients, we have some Crescent Rolls, and they're just Pillsbury. You can buy them at your supermarket. And for the meat, I'm using a maple sausage, and this is about 1 pound. You can also add some bacon bits or some ham, that would work too. And then of course I have some eggs and 2 different types of cheese. I'm using a Parmesan and a Cheddar cheese, but you could definitely substitute a white cheddar or a pepper jack. I'm using some hash browns, and these are just frozen hash browns. You can definitely just shred potatoes or sweet potatoes too, and then just a little bit of salt and pepper. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. To get started on the breakfast pizza, add your sausage to a skillet on medium to medium-high heat. I like to add a little bit of water to the sausage because it helps break it up as it cooks. You can cook your sausage and stir it occasionally until there is no longer pink in there. And if you didn't want to use sausage in this recipe, you could use some chopped ham, some bacon bits, some chorizo. This is a really simple recipe to customize to whatever your family likes. If your sausage has extra grease, you can also soak it up with a paper towel lining your plate. This one looks pretty good, so I'm not going to worry about it this time. Just go ahead and cook it until it's no longer pink. Now you can just let that cool while you are preparing the other ingredients. To prepare the crust, spray your pie plate with non-stick cooking spray and add 1 can of Pillsbury crescent roll dough. And you can add this to a 12 to 14 inch pizza pan. The crescent roll dough is perforated, so just use your fingers and pinch it together, or spread the dough so there isn't any holes in the bottom of the pizza crust. This is going to be pretty thin, but that's okay. That's how we like it. This actually just cooks up so nice and is nice and golden on the bottom when it's done. You can also spray your hands with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray, and that will help keep your hands from sticking to the dough as well. It takes just a little bit of patience, but keep at it and push it to the side and thin it out. Now that your dough is spread, you can add the sausage evenly over the crust. I'm using a slotted spatula so I can drain any of the excess grease or water off. You don't want any extra liquid on your pizza. Now you can sprinkle the hash browns over your sausage, being on that warm sausage. You're going to add about 1 cup of frozen hash brown potatoes. You can also substitute this for shredded sweet potatoes if you would rather do that. Now you can add your shredded cheese, and I'm using shredded cheddar. This works great, but you can add just about any kind of cheese. And to make the egg mixture, I'm going to crack 5 eggs into a mixing bowl, along with about 1/4 cup milk, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/8 teaspoon pepper. And I'm just going to use a fork and whisk that until it's all combined. Now you can pour that egg mixture over your pizza as evenly as you can. And then top it with 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Now you can bake your breakfast pizza in your preheated oven for up to 25 to 30 minutes or until the bottom of the crust is golden. The cheese on the top should be slightly golden as well. Now you can remove it from the oven and let it cool for a couple of minutes before slicing and serving like a classic pizza. You can serve this hot or warm, and you can top it off with a dollop of sour cream, salsa, or even guacamole. This is such a fun and easy breakfast recipe. The best part of the whole day. Here is our breakfast pizza. Look how yummy that is. I mean, the crust is golden brown. We've got the cheese, the hash browns, and then that amazing maple sausage. What could be better? That crescent roll crust is so easy, and it just gets golden so easily. And then we have that sweet maple sausage. Such a nice balance, all the salty hash browns and the eggs on there. This is a perfect recipe for holiday weekends or when you have family in town, or maybe just a lazy weekend brunch. Super simple recipe, and you can customize it any way you want to. Thanks for watching this episode of the Carefree Kitchen. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and I'll show you all kinds of fun and easy recipes that your family will love. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.